Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. This is the captain speaking. Just about ready to depart. We should be away on schedule in the next couple of minutes or so. Flight time will be 9.
Hi, I'm Amory, the inventor of the Paggle travel pillow. After months of research and development and testing on travelers here in the US and abroad, we are proud to finally present the Paggle on Kickstarter. We have sourced the highest quality sustainable fabrics that are not only durable, but are also soft. And we have worked closely with a factory in North Carolina that is ready for the first run. Thank you so much for your support of the Paggle Kickstarter.